Okay, without a further ado, we can start. Today we will discuss some tools that you can use in ArcMap. So today your facilitator will be Ms. Simon Nas. Is a 3S integration and a 3S integration and meteorological application student, and she has GI expertise with the background of climate research data in Pakistan. So I will give her the chance to continue with the lecture. So you can learn some tools in the ArcGIS. Like huge toolbox. If you go in here, you have like huge toolbox. These are like all the tools that you can use in ArcGIS. So here we are not going to discuss about this all the tools. Only few tools we have discussed already. But if you expand these all the things, these are all the tools that you can use in ArcGIS. So ArcGIS is not only for the guys who are doing like research into GIS. So today I will give the Simon Ask the chance to continue the training. So hope that you can learn something from this class.
The folder is already connected or I have to connect it? Folder is already connected or I have to connect it? I just want to look. Yes. Yeah, this. Why it's having only one? It should contain 4 files. Did you check? All the files are inside it. No. It's this one. Should have this. Let's go back to the same folder. Yes. Okay, everyone, have you downloaded the data? Please download the data and extract the files. Today, basically, we are going to do how we can play with Excel sheets, okay, and how we can perform some basic queries. If the like data is in the form of Excel sheets or the point shapefile based data, how we can do some simple analysis on that. So after this learning, this is something which I am still using. Like I'm not using ArcGIS anymore, but this is something which I'm still after doing some analysis. I need this kind of steps to follow. to prepare my data. So I'm just sharing all those things with you, and after that we can move to the next step of this basic. Okay, so extract your files, and I hope you all know how to add the data into the ArcGIS. If you see here, you know this icon, you know how to add the data. Okay, so go click this. Yeah, extract the data, and yeah, if your folder is not connected, then you can connect it from here. Okay, it's from here you can create new folder while you are doing some analysis and you want to save your files or something. You can create new folder from here, and over here you can join connect the folder where your all files are. So when you will click this and locate the file where you have added your file. Okay, do you know how to do, or I do for you? Listen, okay, first you have wait, let me tell you. First you have to click over here, and if you have internet, okay, active internet, then these two icons will be also active. Okay, so you can add your data what to say, base map in this. But if like internet is not working maybe, so these two are dead. I'm just having this one active. I'm pressing it, and it will, if your file is not, you can't see the folder where you have added your file. Don't get panic, just look at here, I'm explaining everything. Okay, so when you click on this icon, you see it has taken you somewhere, like you can go to your downloads, your this PC, wherever, like any folder, wherever you have your data. Did you get it? And once, let's suppose my data is in D folder. Have you all added, downloaded, extracted, and added your data into the file? Are you all done with this step or not? Are you all done with this step or not? Do you need, does someone need help with this step? Do you need help? Actually, this is not my PC, and I don't know the location of my file. That's why I'm not going there again. Have they all gone? Yeah, it should have to be.
Your ArcMap, you go to the add data platform. The add data. So you go here. See with this one, this button. Yes, small arrow there. The small. Click on it.
I guess you are not getting it. Are you? Okay. 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 Let them take 5 minutes. Those who are not done yet, take 2-3 more minutes and do it. Okay. I want you all, like we should go together.
So you will see add data. You realize that in add data is active. And then add data, add data. That part is that if you are connected to the restaurant, thank you. It's not strong. So you go to click on the app, apps, this option comes. When it comes, you have to locate where structure is. So if it's the pizza, count, have to locate it. So you navigating to that step. On this pop-up, there's an option called connect to phone. This is black. Connect to phone. So
you just click on it. So when you click on it, you see this and that pop-up menu. So with this, you can see everything on the PC. This PC, desktop, equipment, music, this. So you just since
It's here. From Dinesh laptop, I don't know the location. He's shown me, but I forgot. It's here.
okay. So let's say, for example,
Let's go to that folder. We can go to that.
I know. So,
The
for
IMSA
example, this data, the data was placed in drive D. So I'll go to connect folder. Then I can see this PC here. I'll just click on it.
D.
Drivers of the PC comes. I'll click on the drive D. Then I have my folder here, insert tree. Then I click on OK. The minute I click on OK, it will pop up here. Then I double click. When I double click, I see the data in the folder. Hope you are.
Did you get this? Have you all on this point? Okay, so in this folder, we are having a shapefile and a population data. The population data, it's just an example. You can use your real-time data, whatever you have. If you want to do some kind of analysis, like if you have the data of flood events with the flood area, and you want to locate where that flood has happened, but for that you must have your coordinates, your x and y. Do you know what x and y is? Lat long, latitudes and longitudes. Do you know this? So our x, I always forget this, if x is lat or x is long. So I have written it for me. You can also, if you forget this point, you can write it for you. X is longitude, okay? And y is latitude, okay? So this long means this one, okay? The long one. And lat means this one, okay? So your Excel sheet must have this lat and long column. If it does not has these two columns, you will not be able to locate your points. Okay? Why this? Like, what is this? Actually, at every point, it tells us where we are, where the things are existing. Like, if you are sitting here, Auguste is standing there, you all are on the globe, you all are on some specific position. Are you getting it? So that's why without these two columns, you cannot go to your location. If you have your data without X and Y, you cannot locate that. So you should make sure your data should have this X and Y column. Okay. So if I open my data, the population data, first let me add the shapefile of India. Okay, let me add the shapefile of India. This 0 means, every shapefile has some this kind of information with this, like if it is having 0, 1, 2, 3. What does it mean? It means the level of shapefile. 0 means country level, the full country shapefile. Okay, 1 means maybe somewhere, everywhere it is basically provinces. If the country is having province system, then 1 means provinces. Okay, so 0 means country, 1 means provinces, and 2 means districts. most of the time. Okay, it can be different, like it can vary from country to country, but most of the time this is the standard format of the. So over here, if you will add 0, it means you are adding country file. If you will add 1, you are adding like lower level. And if you are adding if you want to add some more lower level thing, then you can add according to. I guess we should work with second one. No, not second one. We should work with the provincial. Let me go to. Yeah, go with 1. I want you to go with 1, because the district level is very small values. You will get confused. Okay, I'm removing this too. How to remove this? You simply click it. You click over here and go there and remove it. Let's suppose if you made some mistake. Okay. Now the next thing which I am supposed to do is, I'm actually teaching you this in 2 ways. If we have data in Excel form and if we have data into the shapefile form. What is an Excel form? I told you it is Excel sheet, simple Excel sheet with these 2 columns, which must have these 2 columns, X and Y. Is it clear to all of you? Why I'm telling you this? Because I don't want you to get confused when we start analysis. Okay, because I'm going to show you how we can play with these 2 data sets. This is our shapefile. Shapefile base. If I write it, let me make it short. Just, SHP. You will see this in the form of SHP everywhere. And this is usually this ArcGIS support, I guess XLC or XLX, maybe SLX or something. I'll show you. I don't know. Then CSV. These 2 formats usually it support. If your data is not in these 2 formats, then you have to convert it. And we can convert it in the Excel sheet very easily. Just with 1 click, we can change the file format type and we can do it. Okay, so I have added the shapefile of India, and now I am adding the data of Excel sheet. Okay, XLS. It's not SLX. It is XLS. Okay, I'm adding this. Can you see something? We have added the data, but we cannot see our points. Does it mean our data has some issue? Probably. So we are supposed to change our data? No. Our data is perfectly fine. Okay, but right now this RJ is unable to read this file. So we have to make it readable in the environment of ArcGIS. Are you getting this? How to do this? You will just do right click over here. Are you all done with this? Done? Now you move on X and Y data. Now this is the point which I was telling you why X and Y is important. If you don't have X and Y, then you should not expect any further analysis. Okay? So am I making like clear my points to you? Are you getting it? Okay. So when you click, now left click, okay? First right, then left click, you see an icon where you see longitude. You should make sure longitude is next to the X column. Okay? This X field and longitude should be next to the x field, because x means, I told you, x means longitude. You have to remember this. If you add x and lat together, your position will totally change. Okay, your points will be added to some other location, because each point has specific lat and specific long. Okay, so are you here? Are you all here? Your x is at the right point. What about your latitude, longitude and latitude? Both are according to this x and y. If you see, now next point is you have to see where you are, like what is your coordinate system. Can you see here your coordinate system? Can you all see? Usually we use a geographical coordinate system, that is one WGS 1984. Okay, usually we use this, but sometimes it doesn't work. But for this it will work, it should work. But sometimes it doesn't work, and I will explain you if it doesn't work then what you have to do. Okay, because somewhere we can use projected coordinate system, and somewhere we can use geographic. Okay, somewhere we can use geographic coordinate system, and somewhere we can use projected coordinate system. There is slight difference between both of them. Okay, like this one is for all the globe, but if you are working on a specific area, then you have to, maybe there is a slight difference between the points, so your system will not support this coordinate system, then you have to shift to the, how to shift I will teach you today. Okay, so for now 81 WGS 1984 is fine, so I'm going with this. Let's see what happens. Okay, so it worked. Okay, it should work, but when it doesn't work, I will teach you in the next few minutes. Okay, so can you see this? Can you see these points? You can't? It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. It means to say, like, it's, if you are having this kind of problem, your like system needs some object ID, it doesn't have some object ID, do you want to create it? Just say yes, because just to make it align, it create an object ID. Okay, it's like just object ID. It's like 0, 1, 2, 3. It assigns a value of each this a value of this table, so you don't need to be worried. Okay, is this clear? Are you all on this point? Okay, this one, which, what? I'm not adding anything from here. Window and plus, they don't, I guess they want to see table of content, they want to see. Up. Yes, go plus. Now move to that side. Yes, here, yeah. Now move it there. Drag it here. Wait, let me. Can you see this? Are you all on this point? here. This. Okay, the data I'm having is for the globe, but I want only the data of India. What I need, what I want to see, I want to check the data of India only. So what I'm supposed to do is, I need to make a small chunk of this data where I can just see the, if I want to do some analysis for India, I want to check. There is another thing, how we can merge these two files together, but I cannot do it today because I am not having same object ID of these two files. Tomorrow I will teach you that part. Okay, so right now I'm just teaching you very basic things. Okay, so you just go here, and usually for this kind of, you go there, this, can you see this icon? You go there, select it, and you will see some options. If you go, let's suppose if I want to go with select by rectangle, I will see this kind of selection. Okay, but I don't want this kind of selection. What I want to select only the points which are inside the boundary. Or you can do one more thing to make it more easy. You go to your data again, in the same folder, go to India shapefile and add the 0. Are you getting it or not? Add 0. I'm just making it more like easy for you. Okay, I've just added the 0, and now you just click over here and check it, and the other shapefile which is having provinces will not be visible over here. Okay, are you all on this point? Now, till now you have learned how to add the data and how to add an Excel file and how to assign X and Y to an Excel file. Okay, shall I move forward? Are you all here? Now, if let's suppose I want to select these points. Okay, I don't know, but I cannot select it point by point like this. Let me go there and check if I can select it like this or not. Let me make it little. I'm teaching you what I did. I'm trying to select it, all the points which are inside the India. Okay, I'm trying to select all the points which are inside the India, and there are two methods you can select. You can go to this icon and just press it, there you will see multiple options, like you want to select as a rectangle. If I select rectangle, I can draw a rectangle. Okay, I don't know why it's not selecting one point. Agaste, it should have to select this. Can you select this point on your PC? Go. Wait, Augusta, check if it can select it or not. It should select this point.
The reason why it is not selected.
No, no. Okay. But right now I'm not working with shapefile. I'm working with Excel sheet. So I guess we should do it in another way. And what's the other way? That is, you simply go over here. And one more thing, I have left this ArcMap since so long. Okay, whenever you also leave it, you will not work with it. You will also forget so many commands of it. Okay, so I'm doing it in another way. You go to this point, just right click over here and open the attribute table. Let me check if that way will work for me or not. Okay, so I'm going there. Are you all on this point or not? Are you all on this point? Right click, open attribute table, and you will be here. Okay, are you all here? Again, go to this point. This icon, can you see this icon? Press it. This time, left key. Okay, and let's try select by attribute. Before going to this point, you need to check one more thing. What is that? You have already opened this, you have this, all of you. Okay, attribute table you all have. Now I want to do it for the India only, so I will check which field is having the information about the country. Okay, because I have to select only I need to know the values of India, so I will check which field is having the information of the countries. So if you check these all are fields. Okay, what are these all are our fields. And if you move forward, you see different names. Some fields are empty, there is nothing inside the field. And if I come to SOV0 name, there are some names. And similarly, and this SOV underscore A3 is also having the short form of the name. It's your choice, whatever you want to select. Okay, and admin 0 name, it also having the name of the countries. Okay, because it's like so many points. It's a district based population, or maybe the point which they have selected for the cities or whatever. So I want to go to India. You can select one of these two fields, either admin 0 name or SOV0 name. It's up to you, whatever, because I am trying to make I'm trying to only get the values of India. So I will find over here on at this site this different fields. All the fields are under this field command. Are you all on this point? I just opened the attribute table and select the option select by attribute. Okay. Can you see this all, these all fields? You can go slowly from here as well if you want to check one by one. I have checked SOV0 name field. Can you all see this? And similarly, admin 0 name field as well. So now it's up to you, whatever you want to select. I am going with admin 1. Okay. When I double click the admin 1, you see it has shifted over here. Can you see this? Now is equals to, you have to press this is equals to sign to go like it means I need only those values which are under the field of admin 0 name, which the name of all fields should be India. Okay, did you get it? Now I'm clicking this is equals to, and then you will come over here, get unique values. Get unique values. Do you want me to repeat this? Do you want me to repeat this? You done? If anybody wants me to repeat this, I can repeat this step, because my purpose is not to just rush. Whatever we learn, you should learn it properly. Okay, so if you are not getting any point, you can just stop me. We can repeat that point. Okay. This is, as I have told you earlier, this is something which I am still using for my data. Although I am not working on ArcGIS anymore, I'm not using this software anymore. Even I'm not using it for the map making. But still, these are something which, when I need to play with the data and I need to check some specific kind of data for the some specific analysis, then I consult with this. Okay, so it's very important. Are you all on this? Now click on this. Now this time left key. Okay, click on this and you will see all the names over here. You will see the list of names over here. I guess if you simply write India, it will not come over here. So you have to go there. You will write India. You can select any part of the word, no matter, but why I've selected India, because it has a lot of points and a lot of population, so you will understand it properly. Are you all over here? Can you see India over here? I will just double click it and it will also shift down next to the is equals to sign. Okay, are you all here? Now just click apply. When I applied, you will promptly see a change. Now there were so many values, but it has selected out of so many, like 7,000 something, only 26, which are inside the India. Okay, so it has just selected those values which we need, only 26 values. So I have applied, and now over here you will it shows all the records, and if you move to this side, it will show only the selected records. So I am pressing, I'm going for this. Now over here you see different, like Shimla or something, different districts of maybe Ambala and all those cities or districts of India, wherever they have selected those points. Okay, once coming on this point, I hope you all are on this point. Okay, now let's go back to our table of contents. I'm having a little difficulty because I've added the icon of zoom in, zoom out. Okay, so now you have to move to your table of content. Where you have to go? To your table of content over here, because this all game I started from here. I've just selected some values out of this file. So again, I have to go to that file. Okay. So now this file I have selected, and now I want to make another shape, another Excel sheet for my analysis that only has the values of India. Okay. So if you see over here, do you know, are you familiar with this icon? Search. Because it's, if I click over here, this, as Dinesh already shown you this, we are having so many tool. Can you see? And so many tools even inside these tools. You can do a lot of things over here, a lot of analysis using this. Once you learn the basics of ArcGIS, you just need to explore. Okay, and you just simply ask Google how to do this. It will show you, and because you know the basics, you will quickly learn that. Okay, so finding the tool from here is quite difficult because I know where the tool is, but in the beginning we don't know where the tool is, so we have to find a shortcut, okay, to save our time. So I will go there. Can you see this? I just click this search bar. You can just go and click over here and you will find this search bar. Okay, are you all on this point? Now I will search. I know, if you don't know how to do this, you can, like, for this of course you know, but for the further analysis, if you don't know, you just simply consult with DeepSeek, ChatGPT. You can ask them, I want to do this analysis, which tool should I use? Okay, but now because I know which tool we are supposed to use, so I'm taking you directly to that tool. Okay, so over here you will write, no. I'm working with, I'm so sorry, I'm working with Excel sheets, so we will not do it like this. We will do it a different way. This is for shape files. Okay, I'm mixing. We will do it when we will work with shape files. We are not doing it right now. Simply go. This will help you in the next step. Okay, but simply right now we have to go to the global population file. Over here, just right click over here. You see the data? Can you see the data over here? Because I just want to get the all the shape files, all the points which are inside the India. So I will go to this data, export data, then export data. Is your selection still active? Because my selection is not active. I have to do that again. Is your selection still active? Then it will work. Okay, 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 okay. So let's, to do that, let's do it with the shapefile. Okay, let's do it with the shapefile. So again, go to this icon, go to add data. Here is the shapefile of this population places. Okay, all the globe, because I told you we will work with the Excel sheet and then we will work with the shapefile. So its shapefile is all. Okay, one more thing. You can download this shapefiles from your system very easily because you can replicate the same work. I have given you the population shapefile of the globe, so you can replicate it on uh, your own study area. So for that, how to download your shapefile of your own interest, I will show you. Okay, after this step I will show you how you can download your shapefile easily from which website, and this all it will come in this all these four formats, so you can use whatever you want. So are you all on this point? Are you all over here? You just click over here. Here we see two versions. What is in a text file and other one is in shape file, SHP. So I will go with SHP. Okay. So first we just learn how to add an Excel file and assign it coordinates. Okay. And now how to work with shapefile, like a point shape. I hope you all have the idea of what is the point shape file, what is the polygon, and what is the line shape file. I suppose you know this, or no? You don't know? We have three kinds of shape file. One in the form of point. Okay, it's location based. Like if you want to locate the location of some pole or some tree or something like that, point based or well. Okay, well, you will have this kind of, you will just mark the x and y. You can take the coordinates of these points and just create your shape file according to this. And the other thing is line shape file. How to create it? It is like in the form of lines, different lines. Any line, any kind of line, any shape it can have. So like it is for mostly for roads, for rivers, and these kind of things. And the next one is polygon. Polygon is like if I want to make a shape file of this room, it is a, it's not a point. Okay, it will be a polygon because it has 4 dimensions. So our shape file will be in this form. Okay, and polygon also can be in any shape. Have you learned how to create a shape file in this session or not? Like if you want to create your own shape file, how to do that? Have you learned this or not? No? Are you interested to learn that or not? Or you can explore it on your own, how to create a, okay, tomorrow we will just, I will just give you the basics, how to create a shapefile, and then you can further explore it more according to your own, because it's very important, particularly if you are using Google Earth Pro and you want to locate some locations, or in your study area you want to locate some locations, or you want to digitize some your area of interest or something, then you will be needing this. Okay, so before going into the advanced analysis, these are basics which you must have to learn, these all basics before going to any advanced analysis. Okay, so right now I'm adding this this SHP, it means shape file. It's already created over here, so I'm adding it here. It also has the same points which I've shown you from the Excel sheet. Okay, it also has the same points which I've already shown you, because we can create from shapefile to Excel file, from Excel file to shapefile. Okay, how to do this in the next steps, we will do it in the same class. Now this shapefile I have already added, and again I want to extract the values of the area where I am interested to do some analysis. So I will again go to the let me check now. It should work. Yeah, you see, we can select it point by point. Okay, you can select it wherever you want, which points you want to select. And as I've shown you earlier, there you see multiple options. If you want to select a triangular area, then you should go with this rectangle. Okay, and you can draw a rectangle, and these all points will be selected. Okay, but most of the time I do prefer this select by lasso, because this can work with your any kind of shapefile. Like let's suppose I'm having this kind of shapefile, I'll just drag it around the shapefile, and you just drag it accordingly, and all the points within that shapefile will be selected. Okay, this is like manually how you can select your points. And there is another method to do the same job. And what's that? You will go to your shapefile. You have to open this, and you have to go to your attribute table. Again, the same I have shown you earlier. I hope you can go there now easily. And from here, are you all on this point? When you press left key over here, you will see multiple options over there. And I'm going with the select by attributes. Click on this. I have shown you how to find the field of your interest. Okay, we are already done that point. So what was that? Do you remember? Which field should we select? You can, yeah, name zero something. You can do it from here, and you can if let's suppose if you forgot how to do, you can go there and you can find it here, the field of where the names of the countries are written, because I just need the points which are inside the India. So you see SOV0 name, under here you can see different names of the countries, and these are the short forms of the same countries. And admin 0 name is also having the field, which field means the column, okay, which is having the information of countries. So I will you can select either admin 0 name or SOV0 name. It's your own choice. Select by attribute, go to your desired field, and it is here. Okay, I'm going admin 0 name. And then you have to press is equals to. Is equals to means it will take you to your desired. Okay, is equals to, press is equals to, and then over here you will get the unique values. Unique values mean it will show you all the columns of your database. Okay, the attribute table. And whichever country you want to select, you will simply add over here, go to. Okay, go to, next to go to. I'm adding India over here, and you see India is over here. Okay, I'll just simply double click it and India will come in the same window next to the admin 0 name. I'm applying it here. And if you check over here how much values it has selected. If you see your map, let me show you your map. It has selected all the values which are inside the India. Okay, no more values. So these are from 7,000 something values, it has selected 212 values. And now the next the task was to create a shape file of only the selected uh, values where I want to do further analysis. Okay, I don't need the global data, I just need the data of India. So that's why I'm doing all this. Are you all on this point? Shall we move forward? Okay, so where your file is selected, if okay, from here you can only check your selected feature as well. If you click over here, the all selected features will appear over here. Okay, this is for all the values. This icon is it shows all the values, and this is only shows your selected features. Now, because I have selected features from this file, so I can create from the shape file, from the same shape file. I cannot create it from here. Okay. How to convert this Excel file into a shape file, we will also learn that, but after finishing this. Okay. Are you all over here? Just click, right click over here, and you will see this icon. Okay, this will pop up. And from here, go to data. And from here, go to export. Now it asking you over here, export what you want to export. Selected feature, all features, or what? The features which are in the view extent, what you want to do. So I will go for the selected features because I need to create the shape file of only the features which I have already selected. And from here, from this icon where output feature class is mentioned, you can just click on this folder. It actually will take you where you want to save your data. So I'm clicking over here. You can from here, because your folder is already connected, so you can go back to your folder. It was, I guess, this IMSA training. So I'm creating my shape file over here. From okay, first let's give it a name. Let's give it a name. India. I'm giving it name India pop, means India population. Okay, you can give it any name, whatever you want to give. And you see the another save as type. From here, you again click over here, drop down option, and select the shapefile. The moment you have selected the shapefile, you see point SHP has been automatically added with this. It means it will save it as a shapefile. Are you all on this point? Everybody? So I'm just clicking OK and OK. Now it's asking, do you want to add this layer over here? It's your choice if you want to add it or not, okay? But I am adding it. If you don't need it right now, you can add it later, but as we are going to do some basic analysis with this, so I'm adding it, okay? So say yes. Now if you, let me remove this. If you remove this file, this file from here, you will see all the points which are only inside the India. Okay, so this is just the population of India. All the global data has been removed, okay, because I've unchecked this. If you check this, you will see the global data, but if you uncheck this, you will only see the data of India population. Okay, you can move your map wherever you want with this hand. Okay, done everyone till here? Are you having some difficulty or you doing? You done? Okay, okay, good. From now you see the shape. This is the shape of these points. If you don't like this shape, if you don't like this color, you can change it. Simply you just click over here. You will see different kinds of shape and different kinds of like different colors you can also select from here. So if you want to select a circle or the triangle, whatever you want to select, you can select from here. I'm going with triangle, let's suppose, and from here you can change the color of this points. Okay, let's suppose I'm choosing the red one, and from here you can minimize or maximize the size of your points. Okay, if you click this down option, you will decrease it, and if you select this upper one, you will increase it. I'm going with OK. You can also press OK, and you see all the shapes has been changed. Okay, now this is not the same population. Like each point has a different number. All population is not same. Maybe somewhere it is less and somewhere it is very high. I want to know where it is population is less and where the population is high. So for that, what I'm supposed to do is you will go over here, and now as I remember in the initial classes, you have learned something about the symbology, how to change and how to play with the symbology. Yes, yes. So you simply you can go over here, go the option where it's properties. Did you all find this? Okay. I'm going on the properties. Here you can see which like it has different information at the top row. So you can see like the source, it tells you what is the coordinate projection system you are using, and blah blah. Then selection, then display what you want to display, then symbology. Right now I am going to the symbology, and I just want to do some simple how to check if the population is which area are having low population and which areas are having high population, but it's just point based. Okay, if we want to do it shapefile based, like we want to check in the entire province, let's suppose, that is not included in today's lecture, that we can discuss tomorrow. Okay, so right now I'm just doing point based analysis, not the polygon based. So you will click from here, you will click quantiles. Okay, quantities, sorry, quantities. Go to quantities. From here you can select graduated colors, graduated symbols, whatever you want to, but right now like selection of colors will just tell you if the value from high to low, which color is showing high population areas and which color is showing least population areas. But I believe for the point based analysis you should move to the graduated symbols. Okay, so we can just convert the data into the size of the circles or triangles or polygons, and you will get the simple idea which areas are having high population. So over here, are you all over here? Now from here, you can, like from symbology, I have selected the quantities, and from the quantities I have selected graduated symbols. And now if you see at this side, there is another option you must have seen, it's values. Okay, so just go over there and drop down this option. Again, all the fields which our database is having are here. You can see all the fields over here. Okay, but I am interested only in population. You see here two kinds of population, maximum and minimum. You can go whatever you want. Okay, so I am selecting over here maximum population. I have selected maximum population. Everybody reached over here? Okay, so from this option you can select how many classes you need, like in how many classes you want to split your data. I guess the 5 number is ideal for this kind of classification, but you can select 6, 4, whatever you want. Okay, I'm going with 5. And normalization, leave it, you don't need. And over here it's like what size of your minimum circle should have, or the minimum population should have, and what size your maximum population should have. So you can change it over here. Let's suppose if I want to go from 6 to 20, you can change it. It's like whatever you want, whatever you like to do, it's totally your own choice. Similarly, from here you can change yeah, the style of your symbol, whatever you want to select, you can select it from here. But right now I'm just going whatever it has suggested. But if you are interested in any other shape, you can change it. Or if you want to change your color, you can change it. Okay, now under the label, let's just play with this part. So the first one, I'm giving it the value of, let's suppose 1. Okay, I want to give it the classes, class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4. So under the label, I'm just changing this values. You can also change them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, apply. Are you all till here? Apply. And then, okay, now see, your map will look like this. You can see with the size of the symbols, you can see where the population is high and which areas are having low population. I have divided it into 5 classes. So similar analysis you can also do with your data. And if I uncheck this and check this, then you can see the province based analysis as well. Okay, the values based on the provinces. So if you want to change the color of your shapefile, you can change it over from here. You can choose any color. If you don't want to choose any color, you just can go with the option of hollow simply. Okay, but right now I'm okay with this color. It's fine, whatever it is. So this is all like how to show your population, how to extract your data from the large data set. If it is in the shape file, I've shown you if it is in the Excel sheet or if it is in the shape file, in the form of shape file. Now further, if you want to do some more analysis, you can also do that. Like I want to check the population which is in some certain range. Okay, I don't want this all population. I'm only interested in the population which is above than, let's suppose, 5,000 persons, and below the let's suppose 10,000, whatever you want to see. You can do those analysis as well. And for that, we just again we will go the Auguste, can you please turn off this? It's very cold. Yeah, it's air conditioned. Do you want to do this? Shall we go this? Shall we go with this point? Okay, I just show you how to. Okay, let's do it. After that, I'll show you how to convert it. I will again go India population, and I will open the attribute table. One more thing, you can add or delete your these fields from this attribute table. If you want to add some fields, you can add over here. If you want to subtract, delete some field, if even your shape file, this database is not having this X and Y coordinates, you can populate it as well. Okay, but for now I'm just going to add a simple query that you will go over here, select by attribute. This time, not SOV name or something like that. This time I'm going to population because I want to do some analysis on the population. So I will simply go and click on this. Pop max means maximum population. Okay, so I'm just going over here. You see, click over here. And I want to check the population which is, let's suppose, greater than or is equals to 5,000 or whatever you want to do. You can do it. Okay, just click this greater than or is equals to population, that is greater than or is equals to 5,000. You can write over here. From here again you can get the unique values, but I'm just writing it over here. Okay, 5000, and then and again population max is less than or is equals to, let's suppose, 10,000. Are you all on this point? Done? Over here, you have to go to this option, this one, okay, and then select by attribute. 11. Shall I repeat this or you all on this point? Repeat? Okay, okay, okay. I'm going back. I have told you that I want to check the population which is in the certain limit. I'm only interested in that population. So the basic function of this analysis is only that how to select a particular data for your analysis. Okay, this is just an example, but for your analysis you can do it to select in what data you are interested. So I will go to India pop because this is the population which I have extracted from the global data. I'll go there, and all this kind of analysis we can do inside the attribute table because that is our database. If we want to play with data, we have to go inside our database. So how we can go inside the database? You have to go to open attribute table. Okay, where you have to go? Open attribute table, and this first side, the first option under the table is its name is table options. Its name is table options. You will just click this drop down. Okay, you will just click this drop down. Are you all here? Now from here, select by attribute. Select by attribute. Are you all on this point? Now from here, because as I mentioned, I want to see the population. So these are basically all the fields which our database is having. So I just want to go to the point where my population is. So for that field, the name of that field is max pop, means maximum population. Okay. So I will try to find that. If you don't know how to find this, let me close this. You can find it from here. Okay, these are all those fields which I am showing you. So from here you can also find it. This, you see, name, lat, long, pop, maximum, pop, minimum, all the information is inside this table. So from there I am selecting. These all fields are same. Okay, so I'm going to pop maximum and then greater than and is equal, greater than or equals to 5,000 or 4,000, whatever you want to write, you can write. But make sure that number should be in the limit of the population. Like if you are having the maximum population number, your maximum population number is 7,000 and you are trying to find out the population between 8,000 and 9,000, you cannot find that. Okay, so this selection should be inside your data range. And pop maximum is less than or equals to 10,000. Just write this. Apply. And let's see what happens. It means the value, no value is inside this limit. Okay, what does it mean? I am selecting very low number. I need to change the number. As I've mentioned earlier that these values should be inside. So let's increase the value because our values are too much. So let's increase and check what happens. 8 values. Only 8 values inside this limit. Okay, how many values it has selected? Only 8 values. So you can increase the number. If like, it's all about your interest, in which data you are interested. Okay, so right now it just has selected the 8 values. You can again check this to see which 8 values it has selected, and you will see the names of different districts or different not provinces, these are districts from where it has selected these values. And again, if you want to make the shapefile of these values, you can do that. Okay, are you all done? Now you see some selected points on your study area. Okay, there are some points which are inside that query which we have applied. Okay, So the basic function was how to play with your data. Now we can convert this data into a shapefile, or we can convert an Excel data into a shapefile, or we can convert a shapefile into a Excel data. That we will do in the next class. Right now I am showing you one more thing which you will be needing in your next maybe whenever you do your I want to go to the main icon. I want to open the Google. Yeah. Okay. I just want to show them one thing. Is internet working for all of you? I just want to show you one website from where you can download the data. Is internet working for all of you? Okay, simply you have to write G, A, D, and M. GADM. Press enter. It will take you over here. Simply you have to write GADM. It will take you to this site. Just click it. This this site is to download any kind of shapefile where you like whatever area you are interested and you want to do your analysis, you can simply go there and download. Why I'm showing you this website, I want you to replicate this analysis because you already have the global population data. I want you to replicate this analysis on your some other area. Okay, and if you find time, I would like to see if you can do this analysis. These are very simple analysis, but I want to see if you can create this kind of maps or not. You have already learned how to create the map, okay, along with all the components of the map. You can do it or not, okay, although these are very simple analysis, but they will help you when you will do your research. Now from GADM data, you just go to country, and over here you can write a name of your country, or you can just select from this drop down option. I'm not doing it right now, but I'm just showing you. Let's suppose I'm interested in China. I'll go here and you see the map of China. Now here you see multiple options, like which data do you want to download. And I hope I know Emmanuel has already shown you what are the means of this KMZ, which files are these files. So I'm not explaining these files, I'm just showing you the shape file. When you click over here, this shape file will be downloaded. Okay, so I want you to replicate the same analysis on some other area and just share your maps. Okay, I hope you can do it. Like you just need to extract your data from the global data, and then these are very simple analysis that I Hope you can do it. And at the very last, I just want to show you one more thing over here. Let's suppose if you want to save this shape file as a, because in the beginning I also like I was working with the Excel sheets and I confused that with the shape file. So there is a difference between shape file and an Excel sheet. So if you want to save all this points, these Indian points into an Excel sheet and you want to save it somewhere for like to do analysis some other time. Okay, you do want to save it as a shape file. The basic function behind this as well is like all the time you don't need a shape file, because sometimes we need an Excel sheet to do further analysis, like if we want to make some graphs or we want to visualize data into some other form, then we need Excel sheets. Okay, so how to do that, I was showing you. You simply go to from here we can do, can you see this? Is it visible? Okay, so over here we have so many tools, but it's in if you are a beginner, then it's difficult to find the tool from here. So the shortcut is that you just simply go to this search icon, search bar, and here whatever tool, and if you don't know which tool you have to use, you can ask to DeepSeek or ChatGPT which tool I need to use for this kind of analysis, and you simply get the tool. You just add it over here. Right now, because I told you I want to convert this shape file into an Excel file. So I will go and write Excel to table or table to Excel. Excel to table means to convert the Excel table into a shape file, and table to Excel means like the database we have converted back into the Excel. Okay, so I'm table to Excel. Table to Excel. Let's find it. You see here, this is the last analysis of this class. Okay, just click it, and here it will ask you which data you want to convert into table. Table means Excel file. Which data you want to convert into a table. Okay, so over here I will select pop India population of India, and it gives you automatic path over here. Okay, you can go with this as well, or you can change your path where you want to save your data. Like why I added Indian population, because I want to make a Excel file of this. The basic purpose behind this is just to how to convert your data from Excel to table, from Excel to shapefile, or shapefile to Excel. Okay, so over here I will select the folder where I want to save it. I will go to IMSA training. I guess it was in D. Yeah, this one. And you just give it a name. And you see it support XLS format. So you see it will convert your file into this format. Okay, so I have given it the name India Pop. You can give it any name. of your choice, and then you have to press save. Click over here, and over here the folder which you have selected, this file will go as an output in that folder. It's working, okay? Now you see this at the side, table to Excel with green tick. It means this has been saved in your desired folder. You can check it or you can add it back, okay? But I'm just going to that folder to check if it is saved over there or not. Yeah, it is. Similarly, your Excel file should be saved. What I did over here is I convert the shape file into an Excel file, okay? Are you all done? Have you saved your file? Okay, so do you know how to save your this project? Do you know how to save this project if you want to save this? Because if you remove it from here, you will not see these all things again. Okay, so how to save this project? You simply go to file, and over here save as or save whatever you want to. Let's do it save, and it's already took me to IMSA training. I'm giving it a name. Let's suppose India underscore pop. Okay. So when you press save, it will be saved in your folder. Okay. So everybody is done till here. That's all for today. We will continue tomorrow with the next step. Okay.